benefits for all communities. The East African community in Minnesota has made vital contributions to our state, enriching and progressing our vibrant communities through its lively culture, optimism, and wisdom. With this message, I convey my best and warmest wishes for what is definitely a most memorable and spectacular celebration. May the future bring all of you health, wealth, and happiness for the years to come. Sincerely, Keith Elson.
Thank you. That was Ms. Noor from Keith Ellison's staff. Now, we have an opportunity to ask questions of each other. Please join us for this lot of food over there. Again, the Oromo women have been cooking food for you, and coffee, decaf, probably some tea too. So please